Oh, that hurt.
Family and friends, today I'm making my daughter's steak for her birthday. It's going to be her 16th birthday, and she wanted steaks. So I have 4 kids, and here's their steak, and then here's me and my husband's steak. So I'm just going to show you how I season it to prep it to cook. I'm using one hand though. So basically I'm just adding my seasoning on there. Then I'm going to come over here, add seasoning on these. Then add my garlic salt. But before I do that, if I do anything else, okay, I'm going to add some slashes off in there. Like basically cut some holes, air holes. Because I like my steak well done. And I'm going to come over here and do it to thin ones. Not too much. You have to do these because these will cook right through. But I'm still going to put little air holes off in there. Make sure they cook fully through. Okay. So since I already got, I'm going to put the garlic salt on this one. And then I'm going to come off in with my zesty 57 Heinz thickened sauce, and it's basically a glaze. So while I cook off in the oven, it's gonna put basically like a sauce to it, so it's not dry. And I'm just adding it all on here. Just adding it all on there. And it normally just take 1 bottle, but I got another bottle over there if I need to add more. But I don't think I'm going to need to add more. And just make sure you coat it real good. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it, and then I'll be back. This is how it looks after I finish seasoning and putting the A1 sauce on there, the marinade sauce. I don't put black pepper on my food. If y'all see it and I didn't put black pepper on, it's because I'm allergic to it and I don't buy it at all. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks after I wrap it. I'm not going to put it off in the oven just yet because I want to sit off in the sauce, so it can marinate off in the sauce. So this is how it looks with both pans. And we'll be back when I get ready to pop it off in the oven. Okay, I'm going to show y'all the steak. Show y'all how it's looking. Ooh, looking so far. I want to take a peek at it. And we're going to look at it real quick. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. That is some nice steak right there. So what I'm going to do, oh my God, look at that. That is so big and nice. This is what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the foil paper off so it can get a little brown, because I do want it to get a little brown. So I'm just going to leave the foil paper off. And it's nice and juicy. So I'm going to take the other one out. Okay. Huh? Oh, it's okay. Oh my God, look how beautiful that steak is. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that nice, beautiful steak. Oh my That is so beautiful. Look at that.
I got your face a little bit.
Huh?
I got your face a little bit.
Okay, that's okay. Look at that nice steak.
Mmm.
So this is like already ready, but I want to brown just a little. So the same thing, I'm just gonna leave the top off, and I'll be back after it's finished. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how my steak look. It got a little bit brown. I'm gonna flip it over so y'all can see it. Look at that. That is so perfect. Let's do the same thing to this one. Wow. Now I'm going to flip my baby ones over. And like I said, these are for my 4 kids. It's for my oldest daughter's birthday because this is what she wanted me to cook for her birthday. So yeah. Oops, one broke because it's so tender. Okay. So this is how it looks. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe at the bottom, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.